Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. Now, I gotta say, I haven't actually used a Motorola phone since my sister gave me her old Motorola Razr, which I used to use all the time back in the day. So for me, it's going to be interesting to see after all these years what Motorola has to offer in 2021. So let's get on with the unboxing. The model I've chosen is the 256GB model, which has 12 gigs of RAM, and the color is Midnight Sky. Alright, let me cut up the seal and open this up. And right off the bat, you can tell they've actually pre-applied a case, which is quite interesting because not a lot of smartphone manufacturers even include a case, let alone pre-applying it for you. So that's quite interesting. So there's a little tab here, which I guess you gotta pull. All right, let's get out of the box. And there you go. Comes with a free case that they've pre-applied, which is honestly quite interesting. I don't know any other manufacturer that actually pre-applies a case. Samsung normally pre-applies a screen protector, but these guys decided to go with the case, which is kind of cool if you ask me. So something else a lot of smartphone manufacturers don't do these days is include a charging brick, which is really cool of Motorola to still include that. And you've got a 30-watt fast charging brick here with your USB Type-C cable here. And you've got a SIM ejector tool here. And that pretty much covers everything in the box. Let's have a look at this little tab here. And they've got a little consumer advice here about recycling responsibly. You've got your quick startup guide here, as well as your legal information here. All right, so I took off the case, and it's really cool what they've done here. This is actually quite a nice case. So it's a nice little touch that they've included the Motorola logo on this free case that they've provided. All right, so having a look at the phone, I gotta say, it feels really nice in the hand. I really like this kind of dark finish on the back. It doesn't show fingerprints as much as a gloss finish would, so that's quite nice. The bezels themselves are quite shiny, but they feel really nice in the hand. And yeah, I gotta say, the overall build is quite nice in the hand. It's nothing really too special, but I think it just works. Alright, so I've pretty much set up the phone. I've done the initial setup, and I gotta say my first impressions of this device is that it actually feels real nice in the hand. The phone feels really snappy, and that's thanks to the latest Snapdragon chip as well as the 144Hz refresh rate. But I'm even more stoked to try out Motorola's camera system. As you can see, it looks like quite a bit of impressive kit. You've got the 108 megapixel primary shooter, you've got your wide lens, as well as the periscope lens, which I'm really looking forward to trying out in terms of photography, as well as video. This device is capable of shooting in 8K at 24 frames per second, so I'm really looking forward to filming video on the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing and my first impressions of the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. I gotta say, I'm quite excited to see what this device is capable of. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Looks like we're out of time. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.